This is also the last module of this chapter, that is employee engagement. And based on the whole discussion we have made about employee engagement, now we will talk about some implications or consequences what HR should do. So, implications for HR professionals. If you people recall very quickly, a very brief review that we started with the definition of employee engagement. Then we talked about the outcomes of employee engagement, what are the benefits to organizations, and we talked about the discriminant validity of employee engagement, that how employee engagement is different from other constructs. And we have seen the definitions of some other constructs like job satisfaction, organizational citizenship, behavior, and so on. Then we were interested in knowing that whether employee engagement is good for both parties, that is the mutual gains perspective. And finally, we were looking at that what could be the antecedents of employee engagement or drivers of employee engagement. Now, once we have reviewed the literature, or we have seen what practitioners are doing or how employee engagement is critical for organizations, it is important to understand as an HR professional what would be your role, or what HR professionals need to know, or what HR professionals must do in practice to engage employees in their jobs or in their work. As I said, that work engagement is also another terminology which can be used instead of employee engagement. So the first implications for the HR professionals is to understand engagement, that what it is, what are the antecedents, what are the consequences, is it important for your organization, and how can you get it. So first thing is first that you need to understand the engagement, and you need to understand that engagement is different from other things what is happening in your organization. So understand the antecedents of employee engagement, and that are the drivers of employee engagement. And I generally suggest that if you are talking about the antecedents of employee engagement or drivers of employee engagement, you also need to see what are the antecedents of disengagement, or what are the drivers of disengagement, because you may do something which may disengage your employees, and that may impact or may leave bad feelings on employees about the organization. And once it is done, it is very less likely that you will get back that employee's feelings and emotions and heart at workplace. So it is also very important not to do those things that will result in disengagement. At the same time, when it is important to know what can drive engagement. So find reliable measures. This is what we say. I will talk about that in a minute. So develop and implement engagement strategies and interventions based on the antecedents and based on the studies and based on the contextual factors of your organization, because we say best practices approach versus the best fit approach. So we say that best fit approach seems appropriate in many organizations. It depends on the size of your organization, the type of your organization, the financial position of your organization. So, based on all those contextual factors, you have to implement some HR practices or organizational practices that will result or that should result in employee engagement. So, the find reliable measures and survey frequently. I would like to combine these 2 points together. Find reliable measures. So you people remember that when we say measure, the yardstick or the something you use to measure employee engagement. For example, the survey, you ask employees a question, and as a result, you find that whether your employees are engaged or disengaged. So these are the implications that use a reliable measure, but at the same time, there should be a consistent survey in organizations for employee engagement. I have not seen, frequently speaking, in Pakistan, many organizations are doing employee engagement survey very frequently. However, the researchers suggest that at least once in a year, organization must conduct employee engagement survey. Link engagement strategies with other corporate objective. Definitely, you have other corporate objectives like growth of the organization, or making your organization available in other countries or other cities, or bringing new products into your organizations. So engagement should be linked with the other organizational activities. I hope if HR professionals pay a little attention to, and they are really concerned about employee engagement, or if they really value what is employee engagement, definitely they can do something by looking at these prescriptions that can enhance employee engagement in their organizations. This is the end of this chapter, employee engagement. Thank you.